to fix the Unity Player. DLL was not found error in Windows. And if you're seeing this message, you probably can't open your game or software, right? This usually happens because the UnityPlayer.dll file is missing, deleted, or corrupted, and most tutorials online make it look super complicated with lots of steps that confuse you. But here on Rex's, I'm going to show you a secret trick that fixes it in just a few clicks without installing extra programs or messing with system files. All you need to do is follow a simple method that replaces or restores the missing file safely, and you'll be up and running in seconds. If you want, I can also make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly where to get the file and how to place it. So comment below, and I'll do it for you.